Hi, here is a quick video to show you how to create a badge that is ready to upload to a badge issuing site like MIBadges. We're actually going to use a template like this that will allow you to kind of customize your badges and make sure that you enter the right information. So the first thing we're doing for a template is to make sure that we don't write over each other's. So I'm providing you a link, and the link will look just like this. It will take you to a website that makes you make a copy. So all I have to do is click on make a copy, and it will actually provide you with your own generic template that you won't have to worry about overwriting anyone else's information. So here's the template. Everyone's will look the same, and the first two slides will have directions on how to use the template, and this video is actually kind of going over each of those steps. So the video kind of gives in-depth, and then just the template itself will have some of the basics to refresh your memory. So each of the blue slides, you'll see that there's quite a few of them. You don't have to use all of them, and you can even make copies of them if you need to use more of them. But they guide you in helping you to provide the information that you need for the digital badge. So you provide the name of the actual badge. The issuer would be your organization, a description of the badge, the criteria, what the requirements are for earning this badge, and then the evidence. What do people have to do to show that they completed the criteria? And then the rest of the slides, the ones with the white background, these are the actual badges that you will customize to be your own digital badge. So they look really simple, but that's what we want. We want the simplistic on here, and then when people click on the badge, that's when they get to see all of this information that is filled out. So for this video, I'm just going to show you how to make the badge and save it so that it's ready for a badge issuing site. So let's just try it out. So I'm on a blue slide, and I just click on there. Sometimes you might have to double click to get your cursor right in there, and I just start typing. So I'm going to create a badge for people who learn how to make badges. So I'm just going to the name of my badge will be creating badges. I'm going to say digital badges here. And the issuer, I work at the AAESA, so that's what I'll put down here. That's my organization. A description, we'll just say that this badge certifies. And again, you can kind of write whatever you want. That the earner has participated in a 2-hour, thank God there's spell check on here, 2-hour webinar focusing on how to make digital badges. And I just do a right mouse click and I can get to my spelling. The criteria, I can also, enlarge this box so it kind of can grows with us. So the criteria could be like some of the objectives for people attending this. So one of them could be learn the importance of using rubrics for competency-based badges. And evidence might be submission of a badge. So we have kind of the criteria, and then this is what will be copy and pasted into the badge issuing site, and it's what will kind of be connected to the badge. It's what is baked into it, the information that's baked into it. So again, when someone clicks on it, they'll be able to see what the badge is all about. So the next step then would be to go to a badge and to actually customize it. I'm going to say that this is a discovery badge because they're discovering different kind of uses for badges. One could be competency-based. And so here's my blue badge because I know that blue is for discovery badges. We have this in the directions here. So I'm hopping to my blue badge, And one of the things to do, it says, is to delete this box and insert your logo here. So I'm clicking on this box and then pressing delete on my keyboard, and that is gone. And now I go into insert image, and I'm going to grab my, just have to wait for this box to populate. I can tell it's working because of this up here. And so I'm waiting for this to allow me to choose which picture I'm going to put in here. So now I click on choose an image to upload. I'm going to choose the AISA image because that's my logo. And then I'm going to resize this. For some reason it got kind of stretched out. And I need a black or a box kind of behind it because of this logo happens to be transparent. So I'm actually going to insert a shape. We'll put a square in here. I will put it right there, and then if I go up to arrange, I can go to order and I can send it back, and then there, that's pretty good. And then for the text, I'm just going to put badge. And again, I don't have to have a lot of information here because I want to know that it's discovery, so that's the color. I want to know the name of it, a brief name, and then I know that when it's inside a badge issuing site, again, this information will be baked into it. So it can be nice and simple like this, so that when someone's looking at a lot of different badges, they can just by glimpse know that this is discovery and we're talking about a how to make badges with this. So the last step that you need to know then is how to save this badge. And so because I'm on this slide, then this is what it's going to save. And I just go up to File and Download As, and I want to save it as an image. And I click on this image. And now, there we go. That's the badge I just made. There it is with my logo. It looks like I need to stretch that box out, which is very doable. I won't do that now during this video, but you get the point on how to do all of that. And that's it. That's the steps for making a badge. Make sure that you have all of that other information so that you can copy paste that into the badge issuing site as well. And then also how to download, and you just need to download this badge. Don't download this information. This is what you will just copy and paste.